Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of your grammar book, that is pronoun. So, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun or noun equivalent. For example, I, me, us, this, those, he, she, him, her, himself, etc. Why do we use pronoun? Look at this sentence. Smita thanked Raj because Raj had helped Smita to complete Smita's work. Now, after using pronouns, it reads Smita thanked Raj because he had helped her to complete her work. So, after using the pronouns, the sentence looks much beautiful. So, we use pronouns to beautify our sentences, right? So, let us see what is your previous concept of pronoun. Let us do the first exercise. A. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. 1. I could do many things, dash, even when I was a child. The answer will be myself. I could do many things myself even when I was a child. Next, Shima is my classmate. Dash, she is participating in the music competition. The answer will be she. Seema is my classmate. She is participating in the music competition. 3. Why don't you go with dash to the fair? The answer will be why don't you go with me to the fair? Next, 4. Dash is accompanying you in the evening. The answer will be who. Who is accompanying you in the evening? Kinds of pronoun. There are 10 kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and distributive pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are those pronouns that replace nouns. They may function as the subject or the object in a sentence. For example, I, we, us, her, he, etc. We can divide personal pronoun in two types: subjective personal pronoun and objective personal pronoun. The pronoun that play the role of a subject in a sentence is a subjective pronoun. Similarly, the pronoun that play the role of an object in a sentence is an objective pronoun. For example, she gave me a glass of water. The pronoun she in the sentence is in subject's position, so it is subjective personal pronoun. But the pronoun me in the sentence is in object's position, so it is objective personal pronoun. B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate personal pronouns. Students, good morning, ma'am. Teacher, good morning, children. Have dash all brought the report cards after getting them signed by your parents? So the answer will be You. Have you all brought the report cards after getting them signed by your parents? Aditya. Have you got yours? Be careful while handling it. Aditya. Yes, ma'am. I will give mine to you now. Teacher. Let me call out the roll numbers one by one. So, students, you have to do the rest of the exercise by yourself. This is your homework. Next, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that indicate possession or relationship. For example, mine, hers, his, theirs, etc. In case of first person, we use mine, ours. In case of second person, we use yours. And in case of third persons, we use his, hers, and theirs. It does not have any possessive pronoun form. You have to remember it. Next, exercise C. Fill in the blanks using appropriate personal and possessive pronoun. 1. I am worried about his health. 2. He wanted to talk to me about it. That book of mine has become very popular. I bought my dress from the nearby store and she bought hers from elsewhere. Next, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the object or objects they indicate. For example, these, that, these, those, etc. Now, there is a subtle difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronoun is placed instead of noun, but demonstrative adjective is placed before noun. If I say, this is my car, here this is the demonstrative pronoun. But if we say, this car is mine, here as the word this is placed before the noun car, it is demonstrative adjective. Next, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. For example, who, what, which, whose, etc. Interrogative pronoun is placed instead of noun. Similarly, as we have read in case of demonstrative adjective, here also we will see interrogative adjective is placed before the noun. For example, which is your pen? Here the word which is interrogative pronoun. But if we say which pen is yours? Here the word which is interrogative adjective as it is placed before the noun pen. D. Complete the conversation using interrogative and demonstrative pronouns. 1. Dash is that in your hand. So the answer will be what? What is that in your hand? This is my new watch. Next. Dash won that match between India and Sri Lanka. The answer will be who? Who won the match between India and Sri Lanka? The answer is that was worn by India. The rest of the question is your homework. Next, reflexive pronoun. Examples are myself, themselves, yourselves, yourselves, ourselves, etc. Reflexive pronouns are used when we want to refer back to the subject of the sentence. In some cases, they can act as the object of the sentence if the subject and the object are the same. For example, I hurt myself. Here, the subject I and the object myself is indicating the same person, that is I. So, here the word myself is reflexive pronoun. But emphatic pronouns are used to emphasize the action of the subject. For example, I myself saw him do it. So here the word myself is used to emphasize the action of the subject I. That is why here myself is acting as an emphatic pronoun. E. Circle the reflexive or emphatic pronouns and identify them. Father cut himself while shaving. Here the word himself is referring the subject, so it is reflexive pronoun. Next, I went there myself. Here the word myself is emphasizing the fact or the action of the subject I, so it is emphatic pronoun. Next, you yourself said that we should reach on time. Here also the word yourself is emphasizing what the subject has said. So here also the word yourself is emphatic pronoun. Next, Mary saw herself in the mirror. Here the word herself and the word Mary both are indicating the same person, that is Mary. So here the word herself is reflexive pronoun. So students, we will do the rest part of the chapter on the next day. You have to complete the rest of the exercise up to this. This is your homework. So, thank you children. Have a nice day.